How's everyone doing today? Shank up here right here. Today, again, we're gonna go over the market, see what's going on, see what the S&P saying, Bitcoin, and look at some other charts to kind of give us an indication of what's going on in the markets. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right in. Okay, guys, so we have the S&P 500 here, and currently, you know, we had a push down, but honestly, there's nothing that has really changed for us. We're still maintaining this area right here. Jeez. We're still maintaining this area right here. So, you know, we're kind of in this consolidation zone right here, but I mean, nothing too crazy going on. Like, all that's really happened is we've just formed like a double bottom right here, and mind you, we are on the daily time frame. So if we zoom in to maybe the 4 hour, you can see all we've done is just made a double bottom right here. Nothing really that special. We have, you know, still maintaining bullish price action. So just considering that with everything, all the fear mongering and everything, it looks like we're actually about to head for you know, the next market cycle of you know, just how this market works is we head up, we head down, and we move around. So let's look at the 200-day moving average. I'm just gonna make it a little larger. There we go. So we're on the 4 hour. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, so we're well above the 200-day moving average. So guys, it does look like, you know, just this consolidation area. We're just gonna probably be here for the year. My opinion is we're just gonna actually consolidate in this area for the year. Yeah, just in this area, we're above the 200. Probably zigzag up for the next 12 months. And then once we break this, and mind you, this could be middle of next year. That's kind of where the halving is, just under a year from now. We could definitely see prices of risk on assets go completely insane, right? Because once we have a break of this, we're going to be in price discovery. And once we're in price discovery, normally prices do take off. So we could definitely have a year of another intense bull run. So, you know, keep that in mind. Things are looking great, nothing really to worry about. And again, Bitcoin, like I said, we are just we're just at this resistance zone here, and we've broken this trend line. So everything's looking pretty good all around for the markets. You know, I would anticipate that we would just be consolidating here, right? We just be consolidating, and then next year have a breakup. You know, so I wouldn't really FOMO in or out. But as you can see, let's look at the RSI. So the RSI currently is, we do have a lot of bearish momentum here, right? As the price is going up, we do have a lot of bearish momentum. And realistically, we have a lower low right here. If you want to consider that a lower low from here to here, let's zoom in on a different time frame. Yeah, so we have formed a lower low from this base right here. So we have formed a lower low. So it does look like price, you know, will have a cool off, you know, come down to 34, 24, 25, definitely a possibility. If that happens, you know, you could be purchasing here at 21. But yeah, I just see a lot more consolidation, if anything. But just to let you know that the crypto market is not dead and that there's always opportunities, is let's look at this coin right here, which everyone's talking about. Where is it? Here we go. Coin number 39, Pepecoin. So Pepecoin is up. I don't even know how much it's up, but in the last in the last 200, in the last I think 30 days. Is that 30? 7 days. Oh my goodness. In the last 7 days, it's up 11,000%. Right? So let's look. Let's see if I can get Pepe. Let's see if it. Yeah. So from when it was listed, it's up to 20x. It's up 20x from May. What day is this? April 18th. Up 20x from April 18th. So that's under a month. You know, and it's done a lot more than that. That's just only what the chart is showing me. Let me see if I can actually look at the metrics here. Probably show me from the very beginning. Holy, from the low, April 17th, 18 days ago, it is up 12,000%. You know, so that's just the power of crypto. You don't need to put an extreme amount of money in, but just to let you know that crypto is not dead, and these opportunities are in the market on a day-to-day basis, and you can capitalize on this, right? So let's do the math. Let's do the math. Calculator. So let's say we put $1,000. That's 100 times 1,233%. Is that what it equals? $123,000. Putting $1,000 in a month. That's how much you would make. So that is insane. You know, and you know, this seems like, okay, this is just one coin, but during the bull market, you will have a lot of coins that do this. So we're going to be posting in the coming weeks coin of the week, of coins that we believe are going to have the greatest ROIs during the next bull run. You know, so we'll put that out there for you guys. You know, I'm going to have certain criterias of why we're going to buy them, which coins we should buy. You know, and remember, this is not financial advice. This is just based off my experience of the last bull run and what I believe is going to be doing the best in the coming bull run. So let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. Oops. Let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. So yeah, as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is rolling over a bit, and this is a significant area of resistance, right? So like I said, we are waiting for the Bitcoin dominance to come down here, and then maybe once we break underneath this zone right here, support, it'd be a good indication to tell us like, hey, we're definitely going to be heading further down, and you know, we can anticipate that altcoins are going to be doing pretty well. If we look at this trade that I had, I'm still in, did not actually sell as yet, was waiting for price to come down even more before I exited. So yeah, we were waiting for, I think, the price to come down below here before I exited. So we're still in that trade. I'm back at break even. So it is what it is. But yeah, we're just on the support, right? We're on this daily support. Nothing nothing crazy has happened. We haven't broken underneath. So yeah, just waiting for the price to do something. We'll see what it does. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on that. Let's look at the DXY. So DXY, we are underneath right now. We are underneath this support zone. So we are underneath it. When we got to push down, we got a bearish engulfing candle here. So that's a good sign. If we do come back and have the DXY continue to push down bearish, that is a good sign for Bitcoin and altcoins. More so because most people believe that the DXY and Bitcoin is more correlated than it actually is. It's not as correlated as people make it seem, but hey, if that's what gets investors to invest, then hey, why not? Again, we have the DXY, USDT dominance still in consolidation. You know, we're underneath the 200-day at the moment, so that is a good sign. Like I said, we do have some weakness in the USDT dominance, and as the USDT dominance continues to get weaker, that is a good sign for Bitcoin, because it shows that people are having more confidence in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. But again, we do have some more time before the halving. All right, so let's go on to the BLX. So this is just a Bitcoin. Let me pull up the hash ribbon. So the hash ribbon currently still at a buy. We are still at a buy. So, you know, did get close here, but price is still looking good to purchase. So if you look over here, we crossed here, and then it was time to sell, and then we were, you know, in that small little bear market here, or pullback, whatever you like to call it. And then we were at a buy again, and then when we came here and we're at a sell, the hash ribbon crossed bearish, and then here it said buy, but the price did have that crash, and then we pulled all the way back here with the FTX, and we're at a buy right now. So if we look at 2019 and 18, you can see what's kind of similar is we were in a buy, but the price kept pushing down, and then we had the capitulation right here, and then that was the bottom, right? That was the bottom, and then it was a buy all the way for a whole year pretty much. So from January all the way to November of 2019, it was a buy, and then and then we had another capitulation event right before COVID-19, and then we had COVID-19 when everything pretty much shut down and dropped, and then it was a massive selling event. So it could be something similar where we're gonna trend up or consolidate for most of the year, and then have a deep pullback at some point during this market cycle before the halving. And then when we do have the halving the next year, that will be the start of the next bull run. But like I said, right now all we're really looking at is this area right here. If we break above this, that is a good sign, but keep in mind we do have a lot of if you're looking at indicators, we do have the RSI showing a lot of weakness as the price is pushing up. So I would not be surprised if we do, you know, come down a bit, come down to 24, 25, nothing wrong with that. So yeah, but anyways guys, that's really it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tune in again. I hope I'm providing value for you to help you navigate the markets. If there's anything that I can add that you'd like to see, whether it's marking up a chart of a cryptocurrency or just looking at one in general that you have in mind, feel free to write in the comments, and I can definitely do that for you. All right, have a wonderful day.